ब्रह्मणोऽप्याय प्रतिबोधितां भगवतां नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिनां मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्ददामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीं श्रीभगवानुवाच कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन ॐ तत्सत्।
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निरपौ निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सबं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच। अव्वल अल्लाह नूर पाया कुदरत के सब बंदे एक नूर ते सब जग उपजया कौन भले कौन मंदे। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। बोले सो निहाल सत श्री अकाल। अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन अर्रहमानिर रहीम मालिकि यौमिद्दीन इय्याक नअबुदु व इय्याक नस्तईन इहदिनस सिरातल मुस्तकीम सिरातल लज़ीना अन्अमता अलैहिम गैरिल मग़ज़ूबि अलैहिम वलद्दाल्लीन आमीन।
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
And it is in this spirit that we gather this evening to celebrate excellence, effort, and shared values. At this moment, it gives me an immense pleasure to acknowledge our Honorable Chairman, Shri Kabir Sir. At Alpine Public School, we are privileged to be guided by a visionary leader whose foresight and commitment have shaped the strong foundation of our institution. His vision has always been clear: to build a school that blends academic excellence with strong values, preparing students not merely for exams, but for life. To continue in the same divine spirit, may I invite our students to present the invocation song, seeking blessings for today's celebration.
गणपतिं भजेऽहं वातापि 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 गणपतिं भजे हम वातापि गणपति గరి 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 సరి గరి 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 గప గరి గప గరి ని ప గరి సరి గరి సా ని ప గ సరి గ భూతాది సంసేవిత చరణం భూతాది సంసేవిత చరణం భూత భౌతిక ప్రపంచ భరణం భూతాది సంసేవిత చరణం భూత భౌతిక ప్రపంచ భరణం వీతరాగిణం వినుదయోగినం వీతరాగిణం వినుదయోగినం విశ్వకారణం విఘ్నవారణం వాతాపి గణపతిం భజే హం వారణాశం వరప్రదం శ్రీ వాతాపి గణపతిం భజేహం पूजा कुंभ संभव मुनिवर प्रपूजितं त्रिकोणमध्यगतं मुरारी प्रमुखाद्युपासितं मूलाधार क्षेत्रस्थितं पदादिचत्वारिवागात्मकं प्रणवस्वरूप वक्रतुण्डम् प्रणवस्वरूप वक्रतुण्डं निरन्तरं निखिलचन्द्रकण्डं निरन्तरं निखिलचन्द्रकण्डं निजमामकरविधृतेक्षुकण्डम् पगरि सरि पगरि ग सनि पग पनि स पनि सरि सरि प स स ग पनि सनि पगनि नि रि ग पनि पगरि प प नि नि गरि गरि सनि परि स रि सनि पग स नि गरि सनि परि सनि प सनि पगरि सरि कुश पाश बीजापुर कलुष विदूरं भूताकारं हरादि गुरुहतोषित बिम्बं हंसध्वनिभूषित हेरम्बं हरादि गुरुगुहभूषित बिम्बं हंसध्वनिभूषित हेरम्बं वातापि गणपतिं भजे हं वारणाशं वरप्रदं श्री वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहम्
As history reminds, true leadership is not measured by power, but by good it creates. These words describe a leader whose influence is not felt through authority, but through values, vision, and action. These words find their true meaning in the leader I'm honored to introduce this evening. With over 3 decades of rich experience in education, Mrs. Jayalakshmi Shastri has led Alpine Public School as principal since 2013 and has served the institution in various leadership roles since 2008. She holds qualifications in English and Economics, MBA from IMA Delhi University, MEd from Ohio University, USA, and a Master's in Education Policy from Finland, blending academic depth with progressive educational leadership. Actively associated with CBSE board since 2013. She serves as a board member, master trainer, and CBSE affiliation committee member, reflecting the trust reposed in her expertise. Beyond academics, she serves society as the nodal chief for AIDS awareness and prevention in rural Karnataka, reflecting her belief that education extends beyond classroom. With such exceptional achievements, a reward is a must. Here are few rewards to credit her. Exceptional Leadership and Commitment Award by India Today, Guru Saman Award by Bangalore Sahodaya, Edu Leaders Summit Award as a Pioneer Leader, Innovative and Excellence Award by Logiquits, Edu Excellence Principal Award 2000 onwards, 10 onwards, continuously she is having it in her pocket. Under her leadership, Alpine Public School is recognized among the best schools in Bengaluru, honored every year for consistent excellence in academics and holistic growth. A big round of applause for her achievements and the contribution to Alpine Public School. Let us put our hands together to welcome our respected principal, Mrs. Jayalakshmi Shastri, on stage.
Good evening, respected management member, distinguished guests, parents, and my beloved students. I'm here not to give the annual report today because I know it is the Students' Day and I want them to enjoy. I just want to tell you that today is a moment of joy and pride for all of us at Alpine Public School. Our annual day is not just a celebration, it is a reflection of our shared journey, our collective efforts, and the values that bind us together as one strong Alpine family. This celebration is a reflection of who we are as a learning community. In our busy lives, moments like these are very, very precious. So hosting an annual day gives us an opportunity to pause, breathe, and witness how learning comes alive beyond classrooms and textbooks. It is a space where confidence finds voice, creativity finds expression, and children discover their own potential. At Alpine Public School, we believe that education goes beyond textbooks and examinations. In alignment with the CBSE vision, we focus on nurturing the whole child. Through opportunities like today's performance, our students develop confidence, communication skills, teamwork, creativity, discipline, and emotional strength. Every rehearsal, every group discussion, each correction, and each encouraging word, every moment backstage has helped the students bring strong belief in themselves. These are life skills that will stay with them for years to come. While our academic and co-curricular milestones are shared with you every month, and it's called Memories in a Nutshell, which is called MIN, and since it comes in the school WhatsApp group, it's not about those numbers and those achievements, but I shall keep those again for the next month to share it with you. But want to thank you personally for achieving the Best School Award from the Times of India. It was possible only because of you, and we deeply are grateful for that award that we received. As India rises with confidence and strides forward in every field, it is important for us to check where our strength truly comes from, and we know it is the students that we have at Alpine. The country's progress that we celebrate did not appear overnight. It grew from deep roots laid by great leaders who shaped the soul of our nation with their vision, values, and sacrifice. And so today, we chose that great leader because his life reminds us that true patriotism begins with compassion. It's not only about loving one's country, but for caring deeply for its people. His journey, that's the theme that we have today, his journey from a mighty conqueror to a ruler guided by morality teaches us our children that real power lies not in force, but in peace, justice, tolerance, and empathy, words that each one of us have to imbibe and values that we need to portray. Through this theme, we hope to awaken our students a sense of pride in our heritage and a deeper emotional connection to India's timeless values. Patriotism is not learnt through slogans. It has to be felt, lived, and carried forward through stories that touch the heart and shape the integrity. Tonight is about celebrating effort, growth, and expression. It is about giving our children a platform to discover their voices, face their fears, and experience the joy of accomplishment. As you watch the performance unfold, I invite you to look beyond the stage. The determination behind the scenes, the teamwork among the students, and the unwavering support of our staff members. These moments truly define the spirit of Alpine Public School. Thank you, parents, for entrusting your child with us and walking hand in hand during this beautiful journey of their school education. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the evening as proud members of the Alpine family. On this note, I would also like to thank the ASDA team for helping us put up this show. They conduct theater classes in our school on a regular basis. Thank you once again for being here and looking forward for a memorable evening. All of us, let's enjoy. Thank you, parents.
To peace. History remembers great kings for the lands they conquered, but remembers the greatest for the values they chose. This is the story of Emperor Ashoka, a ruler who once believed power lay in the sword, until a single war awakened his conscience. From the blood-soaked fields of Kalinga rose a new vision, a vision of dharma, compassion, tolerance, and peace. Ashoka's transformation reminds us that true strength is not domination, but empathy, not victory over others, but victory over oneself. The roots he laid through justice, equality, and nonviolence continue to shape the soul of every Indian even today. As the curtain rises, we invite you to journey with us from conquest to conscience, from war to wisdom, from Ashoka the fierce to Ashoka the great. We shall now move over to the land of Kalinga, or the present day Orissa.
प्रणवालय पाहि परिपालय परमेशी कमलालय श्रीदेवी कुरिपिंचवे करुणाम्बुरासी धीं तारा धीं धीं तारा जतुलतो
$2,300 years ago, in the Grand Mauryan Empire, a child was born in Pataliputra. A child who would one day transform the world with compassion. He was Ashoka, the son of Emperor Bindusara and Queen Dharma.
Look at him, Dharma. He grips my finger as if he already knows he's born to rule.
He grips because he seeks comfort, my lord. A child needs warmth before he needs power.
You always speak from the heart, but this child, he carries a fire in his eyes. Already I sense the strength of my father, Chandragupta, in him.
Strength is a blessing only when it serves Dharma. Promise me, my king, that our son will learn compassion before ambition.
Compassion? A ruler must first learn control, strategy, politics.
And humanity, my lord. One day the entire kingdom will bow before our son. But may he bow before truth and kindness.
You wish to make a saint out of a prince?
No, my lord. I wish to make a just ruler out of a powerful one.
Very well. He shall learn both strength from me and compassion from you.
Compassion from me. You'll be learning compassion from me, my son. Compassion from me.
Ashoka, today we test your courage. Are you ready?
Guruji, I was born ready. We'll see. Don't run away like yesterday's squirrel, brother. I don't run from anything except boredom. Ashoka, a wild horse was spotted near the stables. None of us could go near it. Will you try? A horse? That's all? I thought you'd challenge me with a tiger. You're not scared? It may kick you. If it kicks, I'll dodge. If it runs, I'll chase. Simple.
Go then, Ashoka. Show us your strength.
He's going to flee any moment. Watch. Easy there. I'm not your enemy. He didn't even blink. How is he so calm?
Incredible, Ashoka. Fearlessness comes not from anger, but from clarity.
Guruji, fear follows those who run. I simply don't. One day, Ashoka, people will stop calling you fearless and start calling you reckless. As long as they remember me, brother.
Remember this moment, all of you. A future lion walks amongst us.
ನೀಚಸುಳ್ಳ ಸುತ್ತ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಸೀಳುವ ರೋಷ ಉಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಕಂಡಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಖಂಡಿಸು ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡರೆ ರಕ್ತ ಕುದಿತಿದೆ ರೋಷ ಉಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಕಂಡ ಕಂಡಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಖಂಡಿಸು ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡರೆ ರಕ್ತ ಕುದಿತಿದೆ ಈಚ ಸುಳ್ಳ ಸುತ್ತು ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಸೀಳುವ ರೋಷ ಉಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಕಂಡ ಕಂಡಲೆಲ್ಲ ಖಂಡಿಸೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡರೆ ರಕ್ತ ಕುದಿದಿದೆ ಸುಳ್ಳೊಂದು ಬೂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಚ್ಚಿರುವ ಕೆಂಡದಂತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹತ್ತಿ ಉರಿದ ಮೇಲೂ ಹೊಗೆಯಾಗೋ ಆಸೆಯಂತೆ ಹದ್ದು ಮೀರಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಮನುಜನಲ್ಲಿ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ ಸಾವು ಸೆರೆಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗ ನಿನ್ನ ನೆರಳ ಉಳಿಸೋಲ್ಲ ಗಂಡು ಕತೆಗೆ ಕಿವಿ ಕೊಡುವ ಕೀಚಕರ ಕಸರತ್ತು ಸಾವಿನಲ್ಲೂ ಸರಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಹುಡುಗಾಡಿ ಬಿಡೋ ಹೊತ್ತು
ഞരമ്പ് വലിഞ്ഞു മുറുകണ് പേശികളാകെ ഉരുണ്ടുകയറണ് ചങ്കിനകത്ത് താളമട്ടിക്കണ് തകിട തകിട മേളമട്ടിക്കണ് കയ്യും കാലും വെറ വെറക്കണ് പെട്ട പെട്ടക്കണ് തുട്ടി തുട്ടിക്കണ് പെരുവിരല് പെരുത്ത് കയ്യറണ് വെള്ളച്ചപ്പാട്ട് പോലെ ഉറഞ്ഞു തുള്ളണ്
जो उठेगा धड़ से कटेगा कहाँ पे छिपेगा कहाँ पे बचेगा
बात बात पर है खाद मौत की बिछी बिसात
उठा तो गिरेगा गिरा तो चिरेगा छिपा तो मिलेगा मिला तो मारेगा
जाग जाग भाग भाग बच सके तो बच ले आज
आंधी है ये जलजला है पूरे जोर पर चला है किस्मत दम है जो लड़ा है कौन रह सका खड़ा है सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित 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 सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित
बात बात पर है खाद मौत की बिछी बिसात जाग जाग भाग भाग बच सके तो बच ले आज
dum da da dum dum da da dum dum da da dum नाचे मौत dum da da dum dum da da dum dum da da dum da dum dum नाच नाच सारी रात क्या पता मैं कल लूटा पीट पीट ढोल पीट हाथ पाँव मार ठेठ ओ नाच नाच उंगलियों पे नाच नाच रात सारी मौत का हूँ मैं मदारी बाज डमरू सी कटारी डम 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 नाच मौत का रक्त चरित 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 डम 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 नाच मौत का
Such dedication at dawn. Ashoka, you remind me of the young princes from our ancient tales. Unyielding, focused, and destined for greatness. The palace whispers your name already.
Anna, you're practicing again? If I train with you every day, will I become half as brave as you? Maybe then, even the guards will salute me. Come on, Charumitra, let's go and play.
Ashoka, my child, you've been practicing since sunrise, dear. Go in and rest for a while.
Amma, I just want to make you and father proud.
That we already are, Ashoka. More than you know.
So this is where my young warrior hides. The whole palace is looking for you.
Father!
You grow stronger every day. But strength is not only in arms. It is in the heart and in the brains.
I just want you both to be happy with me.
Ashoka, you're the light of this palace, my son. Your kindness is your true strength.
Watching him today, I feel the future of Maurya stand secure. His bow may be small, but the spirit that it holds is mighty. Truly, he is the jewels of this royal lineage.
Everyone talks about your archery. They say your real strength is that big heart inside you. Don't forget me when you become the greatest warrior in the kingdom.
And your courage will shape your destiny. But remember, you will always be our little Ashoka.
I'm lucky to have parents like you.
Today, let the entire palace celebrate the love we share.
Yes, let songs and dances tell our heart story. Come, let this moment become a memory for the entire kingdom.
Ashoka grew into a fiery young prince, fast, fearless, and fiercely intelligent. But palace walls often echo with rivalry, and in the Mauryan palace, none was greater than the rivalry between Ashoka and his elder brother Sushima.
This is my happy time. My family is my strength. Life is nothing without them.
I will master every skill: sword, archery, and horse riding. A prince must be ready for anything.
You learn faster than any other prince. But remember, Ashoka, true victory lies in conquering oneself.
I try, Guruji, but first I need to prove myself to father.
Ha! You may be strong, Ashoka, but I, Susaima, I am the true heir. Don't forget your place.
Calm down, brother. The empire needs unity, not rivalry.
Unity? You speak as if the empire will kneel before your wisdom.
Why fear him, Princess Seema? You're the elder, the chosen one. Ashoka's strength is dangerous. He must be kept in check. Brothers, stop this. A kingdom cannot rise if its own pillars fight each other.
Stay out of this with Ashoka. This is between me and the great warrior here.
Susaima, strength is not shown by shouting. It is shown by discipline.
Are you trying to lecture me? I will show you who the true heir is.
Enough! This is a place of training, not a battlefield of ego.
What is this noise? Why must you two behave like children fighting over toys?
Mother, Ashoka challenges my authority.
I only speak what is right.
You're speaking of right, Ashoka? Right does not need a loud voice, my son. And authority, Susaima, it doesn't need anger. Both of you must learn balance.
Sons, a king's greatest enemy is division at home. Ashoka, your skill is powerful. Sushima, you are the heir. Learn to respect each other's roles.
Yes, father.
I understand, father.
Remember this. A sword may win battles, but a united family wins empires.
But jealousy is a flame that grows quietly. And in Susaima's heart, that flame was already burning.
My miseries were far from over. I thought my sibling would prove to be a source of strength. But alas, my brother Shushim and the others, awake but dormant jealousy developed among us. It finally burst out once we reached of age. The aggressive hostility was visible. We were constantly on alert. We kept an eye on one another. We looked for the opportunities to outdo the other.
Years later, Ashoka grew up into a fine young man. In the bustling town of Vidisha, destiny brought together a prince and a merchant's daughter, Ashoka and Devi. Two hearts, one world, yet divided by the rules of a kingdom.
Hey, look what's happening in Vidisha. That man seems to like Devi.
Two hearts, one world. Even Devi seems to show interest.
That's exciting. Look, she's saying something to him.
Traveler, you've come again. More flowers for your journey?
Not flowers. Peace. I find it here with you.
Peace? From a handful of marigolds?
No. From your kindness, your courage, your wisdom. Devi, you see the world with a noble heart, far nobler than many in palaces.
Young man, you honored us with your visits. May I know your true name?
I am Prince Ashoka, grandson of Chandragupta Maurya and son of Emperor Bindusara.
A prince? Then why visit our humble home?
Because my heart chose you, Devi, not your status and not your birth.
Prince, our family is simple. We cannot match royal expectations.
I seek no wealth. I seek no titles. Only Devi's hand in marriage.
Oh, Prince, my heart says yes. But will I ever be accepted in your world?
If it doesn't, I will. Always.
Let happiness follow you both even if the world stands against you.
I have a message from the Emperor. Prince Ashoka, the Emperor summons you to Patliputra immediately. And he reminds you of royal tradition. Only women of noble blood are allowed to reside in the inner palace.
Oh, Prince, it's all right. I know what this means.
No, Devi, you are my wife, my equal. I will fight for you.
You cannot fight a kingdom's rules with love alone. Stay true to your duty and stay true to me within your heart.
Devi, you will always be my first wife, my first strength. Even if I'm not allowed to take you to the city of kings with me, you rule the city within me.
Thus began a journey of love and separation.
Amidst all tension and turmoil, I did find love. Shall I forget the face of a bright sunshine, whose beauty was comparable to the angel so divine? Could I overlook those smiles that were so sweet? Just a glimpse of you knocked me off my feet. Devi, you were the angel of my life. Kauravaki, you gave me the reason to smile. Could I pass a day without seeing you, or miss a chance to prove my feelings are true?
जीऊं नहीं तुझे भूल कर।
दिल से मिले दिल लहर लहर ने ये कहा सुनो जरा।
मैंने है सुना है गीत गा रहा आसमां।
है ख्वाब जैसा प्यार तेरा
Did I think twice to win your heart? Living without you would have torn me apart.
Valiant generals, noble guests, today we have gathered here for the grand coronation of Prince Ashoka, the protector of this realm, a wise scholar, a brave conqueror, the lion of the Mauryas whose command can bend the destiny of the land to his will. Let's welcome Prince Ashoka.
Respected elders, noble generals, honored ministers. Today is not merely a ceremony. It is a moment destiny has called upon. The throne of Patliputra calls upon the worthiest successor.
I, General Bhadravarman, who have witnessed the great valor of Prince Ashoka on the battlefield, shall declare that no alive carries the might, strategy and fearlessness that Ashoka carries.
A child who once held sword in play now stands ready to hold the scepter of an empire. May he rule with a heart as strong as a lion and as gentle as a lotus.
From the Himalayas to the ocean's edge, the people await a leader who blends wisdom with compassion. Ashoka is the rising sun of this new era.
Let the sacred rites begin. Prince Ashoka, step before the throne and present your woe.
I, Ashoka Maurya, descendant of Chandragupta Maurya and son of Emperor Bindusara, stand before my people today. I vow to uphold dharma with purity, justice with courage, and peace with honor. Let every village, every soldier, every child, and every elder live without fear under my rule. The sword shall protect, not destroy. The crown shall guide, not command.
Place your hand upon the seal of the Mauryas and accept the divine blessings of your ancestors.
By the ancient rites of coronation, by the fire of purity, and by the will of the people, I place upon your head the crown of the Mauryan Empire.
Ashok ki jai! Samrat Ashok ki jai! Samrat Ashok ki jai!
Rise, my people! From this day forth, let the Mauryan Empire shine brighter than ever. Let learning flourish. Let peace grow. Let every heart be fearless. I dedicate my reign to the prosperity of Bharatavarsha.
Your Majesty, the empire stands ready to follow your light.
May your reign be glorious, my son.
With you as our new Samrat, victory and honor shall forever guard our borders.
Let the drums of celebration thunder. Let the coronation dance begin. Today marks the birth of Samrat Ashoka, the beloved of the gods.
प्रिय देव नाम प्रिय देवों सा प्रिय वो कहलाए। शूरवीर बलवान दयामय प्रजापाल रक्षक करुणामय वो कहलाए। सम्राट है, सम्राटों में विराट है, उससे पूछो वो कहे अपनी मिट्टी का दास है। आ गया शब में सूरज बन के वो आया, आ गया धर्मपुत्र बन के वो छाया। प्रेम का
The crown, that was my dream. It was finally going to come true.
बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी धड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली अरे बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी धड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी धड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली धीरे धीरे बड़ी चली है जो थी चिंगारी छोटी चिंगारी बड़ी 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 है मन की अलमारी आज अलमारी हुई सतरंगी साली सतरंगी हुई सतरंगी थी जो ये रात काली धड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी धड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली
In the mighty halls of Patliputra, where gold pillars rise like mountains, the young emperor Ashoka prepares for the war that would change the world forever. He has all the power to prove his might. Move on, Ashoka, we are with you.
Jayatu Samrat, Jayatu Maurya Vansh, Ashoka, Ashoka, Vijayi Bhava. Maharaj, Kalinga refuses to bow down to the Mauryan throne. They stand proud, but their pride threatens the unity of Bharatavarsh. Kalinga's defiance, it echoes across our borders. If they choose separation, the empire falls to fragments. Unity must stand, even if forged through battle.
Your word is law, Samrat. The army awaits only your command.
Then let the lion roar! Let the conch shells of war be blown! Kalinga shall face the wrath of Magadha! Digvijaya! Digvijaya! Ashoka Maharaj ki jai! Victory to the Emperor! Victory to the Maurya! Victory to the Emperor! Victory to the Maurya!
Kalinga, its trade, its port, and its powerful navy, everything is mine. My grandfather Chandragupta tried to conquer Kalinga but failed. But now, Kalinga is mine.
Nimda, those rust tell me. Har tabush crack poikinim bomla, mohino zuku, lohakwe.
Till the last breath of my life, I won't let you take my empire.
Una casa, minu obizra, shukwe.
Stop talking with your loosey tongue and face me in the war.
The earth of Kalinga turned red. The sword of Ashoka found victory, but the heart of Ashoka found sorrow deeper than the ocean. I wonder why this war has created such a great impact on such a great warrior. Ashoka, this is a war and you are victorious.
Where are the songs of triumph? All I hear are cries. All I see are lifeless bodies. Children without mothers, mothers without sons.
Ahimsa Karuna Ahimsa Ahimsa Karuna Ahimsa.
Samrat, the war is won. Kalinga has fallen.
Do not call this victory. This is not victory. This is darkness. It's a storm created by my own ego and pride.
The empire grows stronger, Maharaj.
If strength is built on bones, then I wish to be weak. If power demands blood, then I renounce such power.
In that moment, the conqueror died within him. The emperor stood alone, not on a battlefield, but at the crossroads of his soul.
From the ashes of sorrow, a new Ashoka was born, not a conqueror of lands, but a conqueror of the self.
Ministers, hear my vow. Never again shall my sword rise in anger. Never again shall my empire expand through suffering. From today, Dhamma shall be my guide.
Maharaj, you chose the path where very few kings have dared to walk.
Let this empire be ruled by compassion. Let every being, man, woman, animal, find shelter under the shade of peace.
Dhamma Vijay, Ashoka, Daya ka Devta.
If Kalinga taught me pain, let the world learn from my transformation. Let pillars rise across the land, speaking not of war, but of wisdom.
Thus began the reign of Ashoka the Great, not the conqueror of kingdoms, but the conqueror of hearts, a king who turned wounds into wisdom and built an empire of peace that echoes through the time.
Saranam gacchami.
There I stood, with the world in my hand, yet somehow I felt so empty, covered in blood, that didn't feel as it should. That victory was so empty. My armies flooded the plains, trampling bodies of the slain, and yet I was all alone. Above the crowd, I stood tall and proud, but I was hollow inside, left with no fight.
Oh Ashoka, you heartless creature! Your actions have taken away my father. You killed my husband and my son. They all are gone. Everyone are gone. Everyone are gone.
Did I do all this? Did it all happen for me? Oh God, what have I done? My foolish anger has led to the loss of so many lives. I repent for killing so many people. Done, done, done was the day. Gone, gone, gone was my past away. Buried in deep earth and buried at last.
Ashoka's Dharma, to Buddha's teachings, to Gandhi's non-violence, to the democratic secular India of today. The roots laid down by Ashoka continue to shape who we are. Those stone edicts still speak to us of kindness, moral responsibility, respect for life, and good governance. They remind us that India's strength lies not just in power, but in values. We are India, an ancient civilization with a modern soul, guided by compassion, strengthened by unity, and inspired by peace. We, the students of Alpine, pledge to take these values and Vaibhavam forward for generations to come. We rejoice the glory of our great leaders.
तिनका था हमने सवारा अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े हर द्वार खोल के गगन कहे विजयी भव विजयी भव गगन कहे विजयी भव सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होगे हिंदुस्तान सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले है, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले है। जय हो जय हो जय हो जय हो।
वन्दे मातरम् सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्य श्यामला मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्। शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी, फुल्लकुसुमितद्रुमदलशोभिनी, सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी, सुखदा वरदा मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्।
How was your journey through time to Mauryan Empire? Great, right? A big round of applause to our talented students. They have brought inspiring journey of Ashoka the Great to life, showing courage, wisdom and transformation in every scene. Truly a remarkable performance. They deserve a great round of applause. Kindly parents, as we reflect on the life and legacy of Ashoka, it's fascinating to see how vision continues to surround us in daily life. The Ashoka Chakra, the Ashoka pillars, and a national emblem all around remind us his values of courage, justice, and righteousness. To express our gratitude to everyone who made this annual day possible, I now invite Mrs. Aisha Taranum to propose the vote of thanks.
A very good evening to everyone present here. On behalf of our school, I, Aisha Taranum, feel honored to deliver the vote of thanks for today's wonderful celebration based on the inspiring theme From Conquest to Compassion, the journey of a true emperor, Ashoka the Great. Today's performances by our students of grade 3 to 9 beautifully brought out the values of courage, discipline, empathy, and transformation. Our sincere thanks to the management whose vision, trust, and continuous support have been the foundation of every achievement we celebrate today. I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our respected Principal Ma'am for her constant guidance and motivation, which made this event possible. A special thank you to our hardworking coordinators who planned, organized, and supervised every part of this program with dedication and patience.